Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I recorded a video of a car that was brought to us on the road despite the fact that we had told the owner to bring the car in a tow truck. He ignored us and he brought it circulating. I'll leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. The problem he had was that he was without oil. Look, there you see, flooded with oil. He has lost almost all the engine oil. That's why he couldn't lubricate the oil pump, and look at the problem. There you have it. It's the vacuum pump or brake vacuum. I have several videos showing how to check it. You see, we put our fingers under it and there the fingers come out with oil. Then we know that the problem it came from there. Now we disassemble that vacuum pump. There you have it, and the problem is that the gasket is damaged. Okay, here the solution is simple. It consists of changing these two rubbers. Since we disassembled them, and the problem is solved. Look, let's see, this was the meeting that caused the problem, but as I say, here when one is changed, the other is also changed. Look. This is the gasket. That gasket has already been disassembled. What we have done has been to ask for the new ones. We changed them and the problem was solved, okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.